So this is our view from our hotel. Very beautiful. We just decided to stay right in Siem Reap. So we actually been jumping around quite a little bit, but got a chance to explore the city side. Not the city side, but we got to explore the countryside and kind of get a feel for the history and things like that. But it's been interesting. Now we're here in the city, kind of checking out a couple places. So pretty fun. Some of the older people with are getting a bite to eat, but me and my wife are just gonna hang back and kind of explore for a little bit. But our next shot is gonna be in Angkor Wat. Finally here in Angkor Wat, and it's hot. Monkeys everywhere. I think we should have brought an umbrella. Sweating. This view is just crazy. Trying to spend as much time as we can here. Trying to just appreciate where we're at, what we're looking at. Very humbling. I wish there wasn't as much tourists, but I guess that's to be expected here at Angkor Wat. Do nothing about it.
I know you love high ceilings.
So I think we're inside the main.
Yeah, the main gate.
Beautiful ceilings.
Where you see the Apsara?
got the 65 meter hole. And this is the other one, like everything like. But that's my first
We lost everybody? That's sad. You don't want to see statues like that, but things like that are all over the place. This place is filled with tourists, lots of tourists. That is the line to go on top over there, all the way up there. Do not touch the carvings. Oh yeah, this is the one that they had in the front.
Yes.
This is one of the main carvings at Angkor Wat that pretty much shows like the history. Pretty much our history. It's like this place is beautiful.
You want a cold coconut? $1. I have very cold coconut.
Oh, thank you.
You wanna makanan medium? Two makanan $1.
We're just here to get some water. That's it. Fuck that man. Keep on. Okay. We had to get some water. It's 100 degrees and it's hot, so taking a break and then yeah, we're gonna finish looking around. They got the carvings pretty much wrapped around the whole building.
We do.
Yeah. I think like each canvas has its own story.
So this is the wall view of the 50 style of the handicraft.
I'll be quiet. Bunch of tourists taking pictures. Yeah. We're back in the center area, finishing up. We're gonna get some blessings from the monk.
Sete paye sete an terjadi kami nanti aja banas kena perpum kami perpum songkap perpum kami nanti you know songkap perlang for you way. Left hand. Kota konan taman konan songkap konan swa tata tata masa kau kalau pas kau apa nak kau pacak tang betapu rakyat. Sate paye sate an terjadi kami nanti aja banas kena perlang. Oka sa kung kana sa par may propoko ka sa to prekau ni kamno preka sa pa putun sa brayo pacha pothe tan krame sa kheng har tan krame thame wathan ti ajuban na phika jre bil sa to se sata chatra thame wathan ti ajuban sa kheng peleng aju beng okay thank you nakali ka pas ka apa ne ka pacha tang ve ta phika jre bil sa to se ta.
Very interesting experience.
Selfie right here. Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think, baby?
Very touristy.
Yeah. I wish we could stay here a little bit longer, but it's way too hot. I think we're off to do a little bit more sightseeing. Oh, you know, just a bunch of Cambodians chilling next to a monkey.
Yeah.
So, come.
Nó lấy mộng gì vậy?
And a bunch of monkeys greet us on our way out.
Supposed to have to feed the monkey.
And we're like officially off. Sad. Don't really want to go yet. But off to our next spot.